Hello, this is Eli with AMS Landscaping, and I want to talk a little bit about this mad rush that we've had in recent weeks. Just with so many contractors being overwhelmed, it's getting really challenging hiring people at this time. We are fully staffed. However, what we're finding is the call volume for AMS Landscaping has really increased exponentially. And although we have a answering service that picks up the phone when we can't, some calls are still getting through to voicemail. And what we're finding is it's really challenging to be able to get to every call right away. We're all about getting back to all our clients same day. I just want to put this video out there, letting people know that, we try to respond within the hour as quickly as possible, but we are just so overwhelmed with call volume right now. I wanted to throw out there to let people know that we are responsive. If you are leaving a voicemail, we will get back to you same day if it's within business hours. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at AMS Landscaping. The best way is through email. We're able to get a lot more accomplished and handle a lot more volume of communication through email. So whether you're emailing us directly or going to our website at AMSLands.com to communicate with us that way, if you're requesting an estimate, we are able to get to our leads same day when you contact us through our website. Our website was down last month, but we were able to get that worked out, and we are at 100% right now. And I just wanted to throw out this video to let people know that things are just a little slower than normal. We always pride ourselves on responsiveness, but with this added just demand in landscaping right now, we're just finding a little bit more slow time in response. But I just want to throw out there, we are responding same day. If you have any questions, if you're having issues, feel free to contact me directly. My email is eli@azlawns.com. Thanks so much, and I appreciate all the business.